I'm going to talk about my product obsessions. अब आई गई हो तो आ जा।
अब अबे कब खाना
नहीं है चार्ज, लगा दो ना उसको चार्जिंग पे। तो कैसे लगाओगी? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know me, I am Arundhati, and if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. So today I'm gonna talk about is my product obsessions of 2020, which is hair, makeup and skincare I like the most during the year. So without any further ado, let's go to the intro and then get started. Now I'm gonna talk about my favorite hair care of 2020. So first has to be, I'm opening this Pitara. This has to be Pantene's Pro-V Advanced Hair Fall Solution and Hair Fall Control Conditioner and shampoo. As you can see, it is going to over very soon. So this is so good for my hair. I just love using it. And just a little bit of shampoo and a little bit of conditioner, and you have a voluminous, soft, shiny hair. Absolutely, I'm no kidding. You have got to buy this. It's for everyone. It comes in variety of ranges. I got the hair fall control, but this one, the specific hair fall control one, is very good. Next is B Blunt Black. The next is B Blunt Black to. Next is B Blunt Back to Life Dry Shampoo for instant fairness, and it's in Spring Fling, and it's only about 550. So yes, it's very good. Don't use dry shampoo a lot. If you have an emergency or you have to set your hair quite nicely, you got to buy this. The Batiste one and are over the high end side are very expensive, but this one goes for a long way. If you're a beginner, you can buy this totally. This is my first dry shampoo and I have been using it for quite a while. So yes. अब मैं बात करूँगी मेरे DIY की that I made my leave-in conditioner. You can make this too and it loves Amazebobs. So what I did, I just bought this spray bottle, which is not spraying right now. I just bought the spray bottle from a grocery store or local store I have behind. And what I did, I fill half of this with your favorite conditioner. I used this Pantene ones till this much, and I used half of water this much. I used drinking water because it's more clean, and I can prefer regular tap water, but I didn't have distilled water, so I just used my regular drinking water. This, and give this a shake. Bring back the curls if you have curly hair, and you don't need a leave-in conditioner for straight hair to that much, but for curly hair I have seen the results very nicely. As you can see, yeah, I have done my curls. I didn't do my curls, these are my natural curls, and I have set it by using this only. So yes, you can make it yourself. So हो गया hair care, and now I'm gonna go to skincare, which is my favorite part. So now I'm gonna talk about first is a moisturizer. ये है Body Shop का and Body Shop Shea range का. I have two products from Shea range, and it's body lotion and it's 72 intense moisturizer, and it's of 945. This full big bottle of 200 ml. This is the biggest bottle they have, I guess, and it's very good. I can feel the difference in one day. Like, oh yes, I was talking about this. This is the Shea Exfoliating Body Scrub and Sugar Body Scrub. It has sugar, a lot sugar. So what I do with this, I use a little amount, just scrub all over my hand, wait for 5 minutes to make all the sugar melt, and then wash it off, and it gives a nice soothing effect. And use once a week and you will definitely see results, and good results. It's of 12.95, like for 250 ml. That's the biggest container they have. It's 12.95, more like 1300, 1300. Well, for this big bottle. it's a high-end product actually, so yeah. So the पहला है कि the Body Shop Vitamin E Gel Moisturizer Cream, and it's for normal to combination skin. So the combination skin I have is oily T-zone, and a normal skin I have, so I can use this. It's because the dermatologists, I have seen the reports and I have seen it on the websites. वो लोग बोलते हैं कि विटामिन ई आपके स्किन के रूटीन में होना ही होना चाहिए. क्या आप कैप्सूल खा रहे हो और आप सीरम यूज़ कर रहे हो, आप मॉइस्चराइज़र लगा रहे हो, तो मैंने आई जस्ट बाय अ मॉइस्चराइज़र विच हैज़ विटामिन ई. सो मेरे 2 स्टेप बच जाते हैं. सो ये है, एंड इट्स विथ रास्पबेरी एक्सट्रैक्ट एंड इट स्मेल्स so good. So it's a gel moisturizer for oily skin because water based, like you can see, and I'm wearing makeup so I can't show you it on my face. I usually show do it on my face, but you can see the shiny, and it absorbs like quickly, very quickly, and it smells great. And I'm using it for like 1 week or so, and I'm definitely seeing results. I have no pimples since then. That's an achievement, you guys. Oh god, that smells so good. DIY for skincare is this. This is my makeup fixer. Yes, you guys, this is my makeup fixer I use. So what I did, I bought this bottle, and what I did, I got 2 Dabur Gulabari Rose Water bottles. This much one, it's cost 75 rupees, 76 or 75 rupees to a bottle. So I've got this. I just pour all the rose water in this one. So इतना तो आ गया था rose water, इतना सारा. और मैंने क्या किया, उसमें थोड़ा सा, इतना सा पानी मिला दिया, बस इतना पानी मिला के I spray it, I mix it and I spray it all over my face सोने से पहले और मेकअप के बाद, to set my this works wonder. मतलब मेरा मेकअप इतने अच्छे से सेट हो जाता है ना. Yes, I can use it now also. So what I did, use as a makeup fixer only. I'm going to show you. That's it. There's 3 vertical rows and you are done, baby. This makeup fixer work wonders. It's natural, and rose water is also good for your skin. So you can see the shininess, like with the highlighter, but you can see the more shiny and glowiness. If you are doing dewy makeup, you have got to try this. You can make, and you don't have to buy a makeup fixer. First one, the newest launch, blushes of K by Katrina. So unfortunately, I broke my blush because I'm very, very, very clumsy person. So I thought it's a great time to buy the newly launched K by Katrina blush. So it's in the shade Sweet Salmon, and I love this shade. Look at it. It's very soft, it's very creamy, and it has avocado and mango almond butter. In this one, I have used it today. I used it as a eyeshadow also to fasten up my process. It's very pigmented, you guys, so you have to be careful. The smile and too much. Yeah. I love this. It smells so good too. It's very creamy. It's creamy as hell. So yeah. The next one is their highlighter, which is their new launch also. So the highlighter I got is Champagne Fizz. So actually they have very good range of highlighters for neutral skin, for cool skin, and for yellow undertone, and for pink undertone. I'm actually in the area of yellowish tone. I have a neutral tone, but I have yellow more. So I got this shade Champagne Fizz. So guys, this is hats off the best highlighter I've ever got. Look at this. Look at that glow. Okay. Yeah. Look at that glow. and I loved it. It's very creamy, as it's same as the matte blush. It has avocado and mango butter in it. It's very creamy. Look at that shine. You can see the shine. Next one is Kay's mascara. If you follow me on Instagram, you have seen me a lot using this, and I loved it. It's a very big bottle, and it's of $7.99, and it's in the shade Midnight. Or first, the signature packaging of K with K written on it. And this brush, actually, it's an all-rounder brush, but it curls your eyelashes pretty well. It gives them volume. As you can see, I've used it now. I have not used it much, but I've used it now. And this one is great. It doesn't dry up. So here's the trick. I'm going to show you how to use your mascara. The scrape of the axis. बिकॉज ऑफ द एक्सेस आईलिड्स थोड़ी सी चिप हो जाती हैं, मतलब 2-3 आईलिड चिपक जाती हैं और थोड़ा क्लमजी हो जाता है, इसलिए निकाल लो ऐसे एंड देन यूज़। तो और जो अगर फिर आप बंद करोगे तो वैसे वापस आया चला जाएगा, तो कुछ वेस्ट नहीं होगा। सो मूविंग ऑन, द लास्ट प्रोडक्ट इन द मेकअप लाइन इज Smashbox Gulabi. This lipstick is amazing. I'm using it right now. As you can see, this product is so good. It's so pretty and especially made for India, by the way, guys. You don't know if you don't know it. And the big, it's a mini one, but उसका बड़ा वाला आता है 2100 का। तो मैंने मिनी वाला मंगाया। उसके साथ एक रेड लिपस्टिक भी आई, जो अभी मेरे पास मेरे पिटारे में नहीं है। रेड लिपस्टिक भी आई है, बॉज वाली। It's very good. The rest lipstick is also very good. The blood red, the bright red lipstick, it's very good. But I prefer this. It's a pink, cute color, and I'm wearing it right now. I think that's it for today. Yes, if you guys like it, I'm telling it again. Please like, share, and subscribe. Please. And let's go to 100 subscribers. Hopefully, I'm at 71, 74. I don't know. I'm not checked. But yeah, please go to 100 subscribers, and soon we'll be at 1K, hopefully. So yes, that's it for today. Hope you guys liked it, and okay, till then, I'm gonna see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Look at the glow, babies. Look at the glow. I'm glowing goddess. I'm not just fabulous, I'm fabulous. So the next is about, I'm gonna talk about blah blah blah.